All right, so man, y'all, today the Lavelle Motorworks back with another one. What I'm doing today, man, I'm teaching y'all how to change CV axles. You ever get one of them ATVs and they got axles on the back, and when you turn, you hear the clicking sound, click, 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 click. Well, I'm gonna show you how to fix that. I'm gonna show you how you know what your problem is. If you make a right turn, for instance, and you hear the clicking, it's your left CV axle because the weight transfers to the left. If you make a left turn and you hear the clicking, it's your right CV axle. You know what I'm saying? So anyway, that's because the weight transfers. Just like hitting a donut. If you turn a car, the weight gonna lean to the opposite side of whatever way you turn. Anyways, here go my new CV axle. I already took the old one out. All you gotta do is, I do it a little different right here. This little clip kind of holds it inside of the case. So all you gotta do, man, and I do mine's a little different. Man, I had this tool right here, and I called it a tool. I had this tool right here since I was probably in 7th grade. What this is basically a railroad nail. That is what it is. And I use it because it will not bend whatsoever. You know what I'm saying? So what you do is you pry it up behind the back of the CV axle like so, and you hit it forward. You don't push it in because you'll ruin the seal. So you hit it forward. So once you hit it this way, it'll push the CV axle that way. You get what I'm saying? Anyway, so I already got the CV axle out. You put the new one in. I'll show y'all the results when I'm done. Y'all have a good one. Lavelle Motorworks. Lesson of the day. CV axles, kick, 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 kick when you turn. Just like them damn Honda Civics. Do it all the time. Y'all have a good day. Lavelle Motorworks. Get your money right. Get your bike right.